Hi everyone, I just want to show you quickly how you can set sensitive emails for your clients if you wish to do so. The idea is that all files that you upload on your AccuFile system gets emailed to the client as an attachment. As you can see here, it will appear under the logo there. So in future, all files that get uploaded on the AccuFile system will then be attached to the email going out to the client. Now, you do have sometimes sensitive information like financial statements that you not necessarily would like to go to the secretary, who might be, say, the one who opens all the AccuFile system and receives all the mail. So what you can do to prevent that then is to go and set up a sensitive email in your AccuFile system. And let me just quickly show you how to do that. You will go into your AccuFile system. You will go into views. You got to go and set the categories that you consider to be sensitive. There you can see I've set my financial statements there as sensitive. So for instance, you can do the same with your income tax assessments. Let me just show you. You keep control into your the control lock there on your keyboard, and then you just go down and you update the sensitive selection there, and you will see that it will show that as an S there in front, and then you will know that those categories are sensitive, and all files uploaded there will then be emailed to the second email set to the client. Now you do the second email here. You go into your dashboard, new clients, icon and services setup there, and let's just take an example, and you go in there and you will find there's an option there, sensitive information email, and you go and type in your client's then email there. I'm just going to put something in there. And you just got to go and save the profile. Okay, in practical then, what will happen is that all files uploaded to those financial statements and income tax categories that I've set, those files that get uploaded there will be emailed to the sensitive email that I've sent here. It won't go to the other email, to the default email for that client. Thank you, and please email us if you are uncertain, and we will gladly help you with this.